What's the meaning of adaptive? Adaptive. 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 The term adaptive refers to the ability of a system or organism to adjust its behavior or structure in response to changes in its environment. An adaptive system or organism is able to modify its actions or characteristics in order to better suit its surroundings and to optimize its performance or survival. This can involve learning from past experiences, making predictions about the future, and adjusting strategies or tactics over time. The result of adaptiveness is greater efficiency, resilience, and flexibility, as well as a higher likelihood of success in achieving one's goals. In short, adaptiveness fosters adaptability and growth,